Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you are new. I am working on tidying up my craft space today. I'll show you here in just a minute, but all of my surfaces are covered with different things, books, papers, etc. So I'm going to be doing a little tidying up, and then I'll get into some new projects. But I thought I would turn the camera on and just say hi. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Louisville, and I am just enjoying. I went to the post office, mailed out some Etsy items, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, let me show you. I've cleaned up a little, so it was looking worse. So, but anyway, let me flip y'all around here. Okay, so I just finished. I just was ironing a lot of my tea-dyed papers, trying to flatten them out a little bit. And I use my little Cricut mini press. It works great. I am going through some of my different piles of ephemera here and trying to organize them a little bit better. I have some books I need to put away that I was using. And this is the desk I'm still working on, trying to clear it off. I have a bunch of different stuff on there. And then I have these. I love these for storing different papers and scraps and stuff. But I want to work on getting them a little more organized because I've been just cramming stuff into them kind of willy-nilly. So I want to try to organize that a little bit. So that is what I'll be working on today. But you can see the beautiful sun coming in the craft room. And yeah, I'm going to try to get things cleaned up a little bit. My closet looks pretty good. And I do need to do a little bit tidying over here on my sewing machine. So let me do a little bit of cleaning, and I'll be back here in a second. this, and I wanted to show you. So I went through these boxes. So these are great. I got them off of Amazon. I'll have to list them down below. But I had just been dumping stuff in these kind of willy-nilly. So now these are all of what I consider small scraps of things. So those are in there. And then I have what I'm calling medium to large scraps in here. And I put a label on it. And then this one is all of like things I get in the mail, or things, packaging materials from things that I buy, or things maybe that I rip out of a magazine. So I have all of those in here, like used envelopes, like some of these little toppers that come with things that you purchase. And then I have envelopes, used envelopes, and some other little kind of packaging material. So that's what I kind of put all in here. And then I have a whole lot of small packaging, tags, things like that. And so instead of putting them in one of these, I felt like that wouldn't be the best use of these. I used this thing, and I got this from IKEA, this little container. But any sort of container can work. So I'm hoping that this will kind of help keep things a little more organized now that I have them labeled. And so as I accumulate more of these items, I'll know which folder to put them into, and then when I go to use them, it'll be easier for me to find them and use them. And then in this guy, I have, these are some journals. So I have a Christmas journal in here, and then I have a vacation journal in here, and then I have some kind of like spring stickers, and those go along with my spring journal, and I just have those in there. So this is kind of my working folder, if you will, because I still have some things I want to do to those journals. So I need to put a label. That's what I'll call it, is my working journals. I was trying to think of a good name for that. So I'm still have some more organizing to do, but it feels good to kind of go through these three and get them sorted, and because these were all in there as well. So so yeah, so that's kind of what I did, and I hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, it just takes time kind of sorting through. I did throw some stuff away, and you saw that in the video that I kind of had sped up. I do have a few little acetate pieces, and I've decided I'm just going to put these in my plastic folder of all my new acetate, excuse me, so that when I go to use a scrap, it'll all be in there. And oh, and then I have this scrap wallpaper that I need to find a folder for. And that is about it. So, alright, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!